name is Jacob Earp. I'm a painter, and anything that needs color comes by me first. I usually sweep the booth out in the morning, and then the rest of the morning we're prepping, getting ready for the rest of the day. Whether it's tables, small parts, really anything that needs color, we'll prep it, wash it, and then by mid-afternoon we're painting everything, and then end of the day we're finishing everything up, cleaning up, and then going home. When I'm not with my kids, I'm usually a pretty big nerd. I like to play video games and D&D with my friends. I've definitely painted minifigures and stuff. I like to go longboarding and biking around with my children. I was a cook before I started working at ShopSabre. I was a general manager of a noodles and company, so I would cook, I would cashier, I would do all sorts of things. My buddy invited me to come over here to start working and said it was a fun gig, and that's why I'm here now. When I first came in here, I was a pretty novice painter. It's been about a year and a half, and I'd say I'm an expert now. I would say what motivates me each day to do my best at work would be looking at the finished product. Every time I get out of that booth and I see a good paint job, I think our attention to detail has to be superior to most other departments, because if the paint's jacked up, then you can tell immediately. We just make sure that everything is sanded to perfection, so that way when it goes into the paint booth, it comes out as a perfect product. I'd say come on down. Everybody here is super cool. It's a good work environment, and the company takes care of you. I just really like painting and seeing the finished product. I'm super proud of everything that I do here.